Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique and welcome back to my existing subscribers. Today's episode I'm going to show you my little collection of Anthuriums. I don't have that many, and to be honest I was quite scared when I got my first Anthurium, which was Anthurium crystallinum. I think it's a perfect beginner Anthurium. So I've done my research. So an Anthurium loves humidity and they thrive on it. So in my plant room I have 70 to 80% humidity. My humidifier kicks in, so I'll set it on 75%. Once the humidity drops below, it will kick in. So everything looks after itself. It's absolutely brilliant. Alright, I show you my Anthurium crystallinum at the end because it's my absolute, I'm super proud of it. I show you a photo what it looked like when I first got it. I actually bought it from a person that said, look, I don't think it's quite happy with me, and which scared me even more. So I was like, oh my god, let's see how this goes. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also if you could watch this video to the end, also because I show you the best Anthurium in my collection right at the end. I hope you enjoy. Let's just dive right in, and I start with my, what do I start with? Let's start with, yeah, I blend in the name. I can't say it properly. And I got this guy. Most of my Anthuriums, especially the smaller ones, are living in these glass eggs. That's a newer one. They also have the smaller glass eggs on a heat pad. The next one is this beautiful Anthurium cant. It's still in lacquer. I bought it in lacquer. I haven't transferred it yet because it is winter. I don't really want to stress it out, but I need to do something because the next root, it's growing out of the pot. What else have we got? Anthurium vitarifolia. This guy lives in the detail shelf. Then we have, it's tiny, so I blend in a picture what it's going to look like. It's not looking like that at all now. Maybe another year or two longer. This one is the Queen Anthurium. So tiny. Again, I got it in a glass vessel to have even more humidity. And then I got it sitting on a heat pad. Next up, we have actually got quite a couple in here. So I got water in the bottom. See that? And I got, so this one is Magnificum hybrid. It'll be interesting, like I will do this video now and in a year's time, let's see. Remember the first one I showed you where I said I was scared to have it, my crystallinum? Wait till you see it, it's absolutely amazing. And then I have the King Anthurium, the Veitchii. Look how tiny it is. I'll actually have two. I bought a second one because I bought like a super small seedling. It's sitting in vermiculite. Can you see that little it's right there. Let's see how it goes. I'll let you know for sure. What else? The next one is an Anthurium I never thought I would get that quickly. I bought it off a seller. Again, it wasn't in the best condition, but I got it a little bit cheaper. The Anthurium clavinerum, and I'm super stoked. It's pushed out. It's tiny. The new leaf is tiny, but it's pushed out a new leaf. And I have a little bit of webbing around it, but it's actually not spider mites. A spider lives with it, so I'm not getting rid of the spider. How cool. I'll see if I can blend in a picture what it looked when I got it. Let's wait and see. I can't wait. And my absolute, I just go back a little bit. Check this out, guys. How cool. I absolutely love it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like and let me know in the comments below which one your favorite Anthurium is. I see you next time. Until then, stay planty. Bye.